Hello there, congratulations on successfully completing the HTML section of this web development course. It's a remarkable milestone and I am genuinely excited for you. Now that you are delving deeper into the course, I want to share a strategy I find incredibly effective for establishing strong learning habits. You see, mastering coding demands consistent effort, almost a daily commitment. Imagine dedicating just an hour each day for 100 days. You will make way better progress if you consistently code rather than just doing it occasionally on weekends. This is where forming a habit becomes important. Once a practice becomes a habit, it's like you don't even have to think about it anymore. Take morning exercise for example. You don't debate whether to work out. You just do it because it's deep rooted in you. Now, how can you cultivate a coding habit? Here is a technique that's proven to work wonders for me. Create a visual streak on your calendar. It's surprisingly powerful. The longer you sustain your streak, the more you are compelled to continue. It's almost like I have come this far. One more day is easy. Maybe it's my slightly obsessive, compulsive nature, but I find immense satisfaction in completing tasks, even to the point of checking off once I have already done. However, even if this isn't your style, the streak principle still holds true. Around 30 to 40 days in what initially required conscious thought. Do I have time to code today? Transform into a natural reflex. You will find yourself thinking, this is my coding time, and motivation becomes kinetic. Give this method a shot, it might just be your secret weapon. But remember, the true key is consistency. Show up, put in the effort, and the result will follow. You are already doing amazing, and the journey ahead holds even greater potential. With that, we will wrap it up for today, and in our next section, we will diving into the exciting world of CSS. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this exciting web development journey with us. Until next time, keep coding and creating. I will see you in the next video.